Hello. So it's I just thought I'd share with you my first month's experience since lens replacement surgery. So I had uh, my surgery done literally, I think it's about a month today. Um, and so I kind of wanted to share my experience because, of course, everyone experiences this whole thing very differently. Some people, they go and they get their surgery done and, and they come out straight away and it's like, wow, this is amazing, and everything's clear. For me, as I've said on previous videos, and again, if you want to see kind of my first week, again, I think there'll be a link somewhere here or here to click on, or at the end of the video, to see kind of the first week. So again, if you're considering getting lens replacement surgery, or you've had it and you're concerned about maybe how you're feeling. I kind of had that too at the beginning, when it wasn't like this amazing experience for me. My eyesight wasn't really that bad. So for me, it almost felt like it was worse after the surgery than before it in some respects. So again, this might be something that you can watch to kind of alleviate any fears you've got, or to really answer some questions. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments, and obviously like and subscribe and share and so on, if you'd like to kind of know more about the journey as it progresses, and as well as other good content. I have some good personal development content on there as well. So where am I now? A month in. I'm just coming to the end of my eye drops. These are the dexamethasone eye drops. I've been very good at taking those, so many times a day, depending on the week. And never like it. Stings a little bit. Not great at putting stuff in my eye anyway. So if you're used to having like contact lenses and stuff, you probably have no problem with that. But for me, it was always a bit of a pain. So I'd kind of hold my eye open and get somebody else to do it for me. Like a big baby, really. But that worked for me. So this is actually my last day of taking these. So I've literally got one more course of those, and then pretty much done. Also have been using the normal kind of eye drops, as they call them, the fake tears as well, just intermittently as I felt my eyes drying out or whatever. And it's been okay. So what can I see? I guess is the question. So first of all, no glasses, of course, still. Yes, driving. I see the halos around the lights, but again, it's getting used to it now. It's not really distracting. It's just kind of normal. So after a month, it's still noticeable, but it's not like you've just got into the habit of seeing it and it disappears. You still see it, but it's not a big deal. In terms of close up, kind of looking at my phone or mobile devices. I find that look, I can see it really well, so I'm kind of see it kind of really well. About 30 centimeters is about where it's perfect. Still on the dark writing, I still see a bit of a shadow around it. And if I'm looking at kind of white writing on a black shadow, or if you're looking like an OLED TV, for example, where you've just got a white title on it and you've got the very dark black and the really white. Again, that's a bit glary still. So I'm finding that still I've got quite a bit of glare around things. But again, I've kind of done the research on it, looked online, spoken to people, and the general feedback seems to be that it just takes time. Some people it really corrects quickly, some takes a lot longer. And so I just kind of comfort myself with first of all, 2 weeks in, it was a bit concerning that, like, my gosh, my eyesight is not better than it was before, and it's glary. Am I going to be able to live with this? But again, another couple of weeks down the line, I kind of look at it as I'm kind of feel like I could say I'm getting used to it, or I'm just not noticing it as much. I suppose that's the same thing. So again, if you're going through that and you're 3-4 weeks in, or even a couple of weeks in, and you're kind of concerned about that, then definitely not something to worry about, I think. Because apparently, it just corrects and gets time. And look, I think a lot of surgeries, you've got to wait 3 to 6 months to really see the full results. So I'm just kind of staying very optimistic and positive, and trying to make sure that yeah, I don't let it worry me at all, really. One thing I did try, which might be of interest, is I thought with driving, because there's glare at night, I wondered if I would try some of those driving glasses, you know, with the yellow frames, the yellow lenses rather, and you know, tried those. And again, I found that that was quite helpful, I think, in driving at night. I didn't wear them too much, but certainly I found it, you know, it helped. I don't know if that just helped because that's what it's supposed to do in terms of reducing glare, or it helped, you know, because of the eye situation. But certainly it was worth. I was glad that I got them, and I still kind of use them occasionally, depending on, you know, where I'm going, what I'm doing, and how long I'm driving, etc., etc., and really how bright it is outside. So I hope that helps and gives you some confidence and comfort. And again, I'll do another one, probably another couple of weeks or a month down the line, and then kind of periodically, maybe a 6 month, a year. So again, subscribe to the channel if you want to kind of keep up with those, and hope that helps. Okay, have an awesome rest of the day. Take care. Bye bye.